Welcome back everyone. I'm Kamal Segal Sood. You're watching the series Plants in My Balcony. The plant that I have selected today is a common plant whose Hindi name is Marua, or it is also called as Marua. It is also called as Marzoram, and it is also called as Thai basil, and a sister plant to the Tulsi ji. And this plant is basically native to Southeast Asia, and because of the pungent odor which comes from the leaves if you crush them, which is very aromatic, this herb, this plant is being used in a lot of cuisines in the subcontinent, in soups, in salads. It is also used in fresh leaves are also used to make chutney, and it is also dried, and sometimes it is also called as oregano. This plant is also used as a nerve tonic or heart tonic and promote better blood circulation. This plant oil is used in cough, gallbladder complaints, stomach cramps, digestive disorders, depression, dizziness, migraines, nervous headaches, nerve pain, even paralysis, and it is also called as water pill. This plant is so beneficial that you also basically can boil its leaf along with pepper and cinnamon, and you can get a concoction which is very good for chronic coughs and colds. So this is very effective plant. This plant also is very beneficial if somebody is suffering from peptic ulcers, because if you eat the raw chutney coming from the fresh leaves is also very good for the ulcers which are present in mouth as well as stomach. So this is a wonder plant. This is a must have in our homes. Now there are certain plants which are must have, so this is one of the easiest plants that we can grow, Marua, which is easily available at a very cheap price in different nurseries, local nurseries. Every nursery will have this plant, but these are the plants which basically have a lot of health benefits, is easy to grow. Just like Tulsi, you can see even I have some inflorescence coming up now, and these basically will be falling off in the pot, and these seeds basically grow very fast. If you can see, I can show you, there are many more plants. I think more than 10 plants are coming from the seeds which are falling on their own in the planter, and within a span of say about 1 month they actually attain a pretty good amount of length which you can use it in the different cuisines that you are making. So this plant, I would suggest, should be placed in every home, in every kitchen garden, in every balcony, whatever, howsoever small the space is, because it has a lot of benefits for infants, for children. ये plant के बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं, इसलिए घर में होना ज़रूरी है. एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स हैं, एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं, बहुत सारे इम्पॉर्टेंट एंटी माइक्रोबियल है, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट. इसलिए बहुत सारी स्किन क्रीम्स में भी इसका ऑयल यूज़ होता है, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो ग्रोन, इट इज़ ऑल्सो गिवन टू इम्प्रूव द गट बैक्टीरिया. गट मतलब आपकी स्टमक, इंटेस्टाइन में बेसिकली बैक्टीरिया को लेवल को इम्प्रूव करता है. और बेसिकली अगर किसी को भी स्टमक अल्सर्स हैं, मैंने पहले भी बताया, उसमें ये बहुत इफ़ेक्टिव है ये प्लांट. इनफैक्ट ये रिस्टोर करता है हार्मोनल बैलेंस. With all the positive benefits which are coming from this plant, it also have one or two negative implications. This plant should not be consumed by women who are pregnant, one thing, because it generally cause little amount of complications in that phase of life. And second, उनको भी यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए जो ब्लड थिनर्स लेते हैं, because this plant basically reduces the number of platelets which actually helps in blood clotting. So these two persons, the pregnant woman and the people who are using blood thinners, should not consume this plant. But otherwise, for people who does not have medical ailments, this plant is very good for maintaining the overall health of the body. I hope that you liked this video of Marua plant, which I think all of you will grow in this monsoon season, because बहुत ही fastly grow हो जाता है during this season. So if you want to bring, just go to the nearby nursery, bring this plant because it brings happiness. And if you like the video, do share and subscribe, and share with your friends and family the medical benefits of this plant, and also pour in your suggestions so that we can work upon them. Thank you so much for watching, and I always say happy gardening to all of us. Thank you so much.